Coffee cooling by my side, window open, quiet light, nothing rushing, nothing loud, just this moment here and now. I don't need to chase the car, let the seconds gently draw, every breath, every sound feels more clear and I slow down. I'm taking time but I'm moving now. Every small stuff feels strong. Not wasting days, my standing still, just choosing how my moments feel. I'm right here for you, every beat, every spin. I don't need to run away. I'm living now, I'm here to stay. Hold it close, hold it close, take it slow. Let it show, this moment matters most. City hums a softer tone, leaving crowds feel like home. In between the to-do lights, I find peace in ordinary time. I don't need a perfect pace, just a rhythm I can't face. Every chorus, every play has a meaning if I stay. I'm taking time that I'm moving on. Every small step feels strong. Not wasting days, not standing still, just choosing how my moments feel. I'm right here, I'm fully in every beat, every spit. I don't need to run away. I'm living now, I'm here to stay. Hold it close, hold it close, take it slow. Let it show, this moment matters most. If tomorrow calls too loud, I'll come back to here and now. No regret and no delay, just this bright, just this day. I'm taking time but I'm moving on, counting steady, going strong. Every second I fulfill by being here and being real. I'm right here, I'm fully in, let the simple moments win. I don't need to drift away. I'm living now, I'm here to stay.